Class 4, Lesson 1, The English Exam. Raghu was very excited. He had his English exam that day. It was his favorite subject. English is my favorite subject. I hope I do well in my exam today. Soon it was time for the exam to begin. The teacher started distributing the question papers. Raghu waited impatiently. I am so eager to write the exam. I wonder if questions on my favorite lesson will be included. When Raghu got the question paper, he was shocked. He couldn't believe his eyes. There are 4 spoons and 6 plates on each table. How many? What is this? This is not the English paper. Ma'am, there is something wrong. The whole class looked at Raghu. They couldn't understand what was wrong. What's the matter, Raghu? Are you alright? There's been a mistake, ma'am. This is a max paper. The teacher spoke kindly to Raghu. Everyone was surprised at Raghu's words. Of course, it's max today. It's the max exam. No, it can't be. Today is the English exam. I think you must have mixed up the dates. Did you check the date sheet? Yes, ma'am. I has checked it this morning. Today we were supposed to have our English exam. Raghu was in tears. He didn't know what to do. He just started at paper. Raghu, don't be so upset. Read the questions. I am sure you will be able to answer most of them. But I had prepared for English exam today. Well, the English exam is tomorrow. Raghu was totally confused and couldn't think clearly. What if I do badly in maths? It was supposed to be the English exam today. Raghu kept on questioning, speaking himself. It was supposed to be English today. Like no, it was supposed to be English today. Raghu's mother noticed him kicking around in his bed. Raghu, wake up. You must be having a bad dream. Wake up. Oh mummy, where am I? Where I am? In your bed, of course. Raghu looked around. He was indeed in his bed at home. It must have been a dream. Oh mummy, I had such a bad dream. Calm down and tell me all about it. Raghu told his mother about his dream. Mummy, I dreamed I went to the school to appear for my English exam. I found that we had the max exam that day. I was in such a panic. Oh, you poor boy. Have you forgotten your exams are over? Today is your first holiday. Relax and enjoy your holidays.